Welcome back. We're getting some breaking news. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been silent on his party MP Swati Maliwal's assault case, has posted against the BJP on women's safety. Now, Arvind Kejriwal says that BJP can't dare to speak on women's safety, be it Brij Bhushan or Prajwal Revanna. So, Arvind Kejriwal has sharpened his attack against the BJP over women's safety. This, despite himself being silent on the Swati Maliwal assault case. Now, remember, the alleged assault took place over a week ago, but Arvind Kejriwal continues to remain silent over this matter. His PA, meanwhile, has been arrested by the police, and CNN News 18's Akash Sharma is joining us on this story. Akash, the double standards of the Delhi Chief Minister have been exposed. On one hand, he remains silent on the Swati Maliwal matter. On the other hand, he sharpens his attack on the BJP over women's safety.
Exactly, and in fact, we have been seeing that how Arvind Kejriwal is doing road shows, is doing rallies, is issuing statements, but he is not speaking anything on the alleged assault that has happened at his place, at his residence. Also, he has been tweeting about, the incidents that have happened in the past in Manipur, and also the alleged incidents that have happened throughout the country. And in fact, he is somewhere, attacking BJP on Brij Bhushan Sharan case, and also a number of factors that he has mentioned in his recent tweets. But the fact is that he hasn't, spoken on Swati Maliwal case. In fact, in the press conference, when a question was asked to Atishi as to why CM is silent, so she dodged the particular question. And this is the reason why questions are being raised as to why CM is silent when the whole allegation is that this incident happened at CM Arvind Kejriwal's residence only.
All right, Akash, thank you so much for all those details. Now let's listen into what BJP Chief JP Nadda had to say on this matter.
क्या आपको लगता है केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं कि इस बार बीजेपी को हार का सामना करना पड़ेगा?
ऐसा है, मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने कि केजरीवाल जी जान चुके हैं कि हार उनके मस्तक पर लिखी हुई है। एक तरफा लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी को, प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को अपना आशीर्वाद देने के लिए आतुर हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज अपना बहुमत लेकर के आगे बढ़ रही है और हम 370 पार करेंगे और एनडीए 400 पार करेगा।
स्वाति मालीवाल केस में जिस तरीके से विभव कुमार जेल में है, अभी कस्टडी में है, आप क्या कहेंगे? कुछ इतने तिलमिलाहट केजरीवाल की क्यों है? क्या कुछ राज छिपा?
देखिए, केजरीवाल जी स्पष्ट रूप में दोहरा चरित्र रखते हैं और उनका दोहरा चरित्र हर मामले में रहा। शुरू में कहा पार्टी नहीं बनाऊंगे, पार्टी बनाई। राजनीति में नहीं आऊंगा, राजनीति में आए। चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा, चुनाव लड़े। कांग्रेस से समझौता नहीं करेंगे, समझौता किया। भ्रष्टाचार नहीं करेंगे, भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में जेल में गए। और कहा महिलाओं का मैं उनके लिए लड़ूंगा। उनके खुद के घर में उनके राज्यसभा की सदस्य के साथ दुर्व्यवहार हुआ और केजरीवाल 4 दिन तक चुप रहा। उनकी चुप्पी स्पष्ट बताती है उनका दोहरा चरित्र।
And we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.